Ready? Start. When the matter went back to the Chief Judicial Magistrate, he recorded the depositions of the complainant as also the witnesses afresh and came to the conclusion that a prima facie case under the provisions referred to above has been made out against the accused persons. Stop. Summons were accordingly directed to be issued to the accused persons. Stop. Aggrieved whereof, the appellant filed a revision petition before the additional sessions judge, which failed and was dismissed, inter alia, holding that the material on record before the court below did make out a prima facie case against the accused persons and that there was no legal infirmity in the order directing issue of summons to the accused persons. Stop. The appellant preferred a petition under Section 482 of CRPC before the High Court of Jharkhand, Ranchi, which was dismissed by the High Court by the order impugned in this appeal. Stop. Para. We have heard learned counsel for the parties but find no reason to interfere with the order under challenge. Stop. It is fairly well settled by a long line of decisions rendered by this court that the power vested in the High Court under Section 482 CRPC can be invoked for quashing an ongoing investigation, complaint, or other proceedings only in cases where either there is a legal power to the continuance of the proceedings, such as the absence of a sanction wherever required, or where averments made in the complaint or first information report, even if accepted on their face value, do not constitute an offence, or where there is no legal evidence to support the charge made against the accused. Stop. It is also fairly settled that the powers vested in the High Court under Section 482 CRPC have to be exercised sparingly and that the court cannot be called upon to appreciate the available evidence or material with a view to find out whether the charge leveled against the accused stands proved. Stop. A plain reading of the complaint filed by the complainant in the instant case makes out a case against the accused. Stop. Not only that, the depositions of the three witnesses examined by the complainant in support of his complaint also support the allegations made in the complaint. Stop. The magistrate was, therefore, justified in taking cognizance against the appellant and the co-accused. Stop. The Revisional Court of Additional Sessions Judge, Dhanbad was also correct in holding that a case for issue of process has been made out. Stop. Para. Such being the petition, the High Court committed no error in declining to interfere under Section 482 of CRPC, nor is there any reason for us, much less a compelling one, to take a view different from the one taken by the High Court. Stop. In our view, the Chief Judicial Magistrate had committed an error in recalling the witnesses and examining them afresh after the matter was remanded back to him for further inquiry, and the direction for a further inquiry could not be taken to mean that the magistrate had to record afresh the depositions of the witnesses already examined before him. Stop.